I love Ecoline.
Ecoline.
Let's have a look at our windows here they got put in. That's how we look at these guys. They're happy as clams. They love it, right? It's better than 35 degrees, right? I started cutting out this window and look at this. We got a bunch of water, dirty brown water sitting in there.
That's very important.
Now we know. We come back here in 50 years, I can say. Morning, everybody. Master Home Inspector here, Ian Lozon with Timber Point Home Inspection. We're out here with Ecoline Windows and Doors today. We're actually out here. I was more than comfortable just staying home, doing some errands around my house today. Not having to take an hour and a half to get here. But hey, you got to appreciate hard work. So nothing's going to stop us anymore. We're any little bit of snow, I don't care. It's not going to matter. I think these guys are working in a full-blown hailstorm at this point. It's for the people. People have an appointment. They got a day set out where they're going to get Ecoline to come out, start changing some of their windows and doors, get their life back. So we're going to take care of that for them. We're not going to throw that away and say, you know what, we're not coming out today. No, we're doing it. So we're here. Let's go check out what we're looking at. Well, what can I say? I think what we're looking at here, some nice vinyl frame. Well, not nice. Some vinyl frame windows, original windows. I'd say this house is probably built in the mid-2000s, so you're looking at about maybe 20-year-old windows. Some smartboard trim on the bottom here, on the top. That seems to be intact. Flashings are all looking good, so we're just gonna be able to cut out our vinyl windows, pop in our nice new Ecolines. Just completely ignore that it's snowing and we have all this stuff to worry about, but we can be done. We've done this in other videos. Doesn't matter the temperature, doesn't matter the weather. We can make it work. We're just gonna do a couple windows at a time. We're not gonna just blow out the whole house and expose everything to the elements. We're gonna kind of tactically approach this one. So that's what the guys are up to right now. So just some old vinyl frame, very energy inefficient, lots of mold buildup, lots of humidity issues. We're gonna do about 30 of those pieces of glass today. Get them out of here, get the new ones in. Happy times. You can take them on and take them off, just like that. I'm someone's house. I go back outside, pop them on. I don't actually do really hard work, so I can keep it loose. Okay, so we got our casings off. You can see this was a particularly angry guy who was putting on, or lady, I guess, was putting on these casings. 20 years ago, they actually glued the casing on to the jam extension of the window, which is a big no-no in the construction industry, as these guys now have to take the casings off, and we're going to try to reuse them, but it's not looking like it's gonna fly today, because as we're pulling the casings off, very delicately, there's all parts that are still left on there because this MDF casing, it's quite fragile. It's it's not solid wood, so it does kind of fracture and like this especially when it's glued on. So it's a big no-no. So we're gonna try our best to come up with a solution here, and that's what we do around here with Ecoline. There's never really, we run into speed bumps, I call them, and then we either just take the speed bump right out of the way, just kind of make our own new road, or we work around it. So we'll find a way and get this back. This room back to the clients, and it's going to look beautiful. That's all that matters. Okay, we have a mix of two different kind of insulations in these windows, in between the jamb and the actual frame of the wall. So we have some old-fashioned fiberglass. We all know how useless that is. And then we have some spray foam as well that's kind of been put in there. There is gaps to it. It's not 100% complete. And it's kind of an interesting situation to have spray foam and bad insulation. So they kind of tried to double dip on this window. It didn't work out. You can see that these ones are problematic. There's bits of mold growing in there. There's clearly signs of humidity and condensation issues. Just really energy inefficient windows. And they look fine. They look still like the frames are still in good tack. It's a nice vinyl frame. These would have been fairly expensive windows in their time. But nowadays they're not going to work for what we're asking people. So get rid of them, change them out, and move on with your life. I started cutting out this window, and look at this. We got a bunch of water, dirty brown water sitting in there. Disgusting. So this window is not draining properly. So it probably has blocked drains, weep holes, and that is a huge problem. So over time, those weep holes, especially in these windows, these older windows, especially, even some competitor window out there, really small drain holes, they plug up with silt over time, and then they don't drain. So this is what's happening. You got all this water sitting in there. So where's it gonna end up? Right on the window here. So it looks like there's some water sitting there, but it's overly not too much damage actually to the wood. So that's good. We got lucky. But this would be a problem eventually, and it's never good to have, water sitting in there. That's how you get mold growing. So you're going to start smelling weird things coming from your windows, and you can see the mold build up along the edges here. Not good. This is a bit of a health hazard. So this is not what you want in your house. Look at all that mold in there. Oh, there's just a lot of mold in there. Wonder why. Maybe we take the window back to the manufacturer. Say, why did this happen? They're like, I don't know. What are you talking about? Never heard of it. This doesn't happen in Ecoline windows, just so people know that. Okay. Well, what do we have here? We have our beautiful dining room, and then we have our nice moldy window frames, and along the glass here you can see a little bit of mold growing along. So with higher humidity levels, less energy efficient windows, we get more condensation buildup, more ice buildup. When that ice melts, comes back right down on this window, gets in behind the wood frame of this window, and then into the gap there where the sash meets that frame, and then you get all this mold buildup, and then you can see all the water damage here to the casing. See how the paint is peeling there? So that's from water damage. So not ideal situations, especially when you're in your dining room. People, got family over, company over, and all they can do is stare at your moldy windows. So we got to change that. And Christmas is around the corner, so it's time to impress everybody. Let them know you're taking care of your house. That's for sure. All right, let's have a look at this window sill here. We saw all the water coming off the windows when we were removing them. So let's see if we got any water damage to the actual structure of the home. We love looking for this kind of stuff. It's always fun. Look at that. Bone dry. That's not bad. We can reuse this, no problem. Homeowner doesn't have to worry about any rotting going on in their walls. So this is a good sign. So we got lucky today. So we'll be able to put our 3M flashing right on over top, get our window opening prepped, install our windows, seal them up, and then we're on our way.
That's very important.
Now we know. We come back here in 50 years, I can say.
I'm not sure you're gonna live so long.
I was here. Well, at this rate, especially if I'm breathing in all this mold. Look at this over here. Water damage here, active water here, nasty. Mold growing along here. We gotta clean this all up. The spray foam, look at this. Barely anywhere in here. Look, there's huge gaps, nothing even there. This guy sprayed this window like he was on mushrooms or something like that. So it's no good. Don't do drugs and insulate windows. That doesn't work. Okay.
Mushrooms.
Don't do mushrooms
until they're gonna grow on the window.
Yeah, exactly. He was probably taking the mushrooms out of the window from the mold and then eating them and then spray foaming. Not good. These are just little baby windows. These are easy.
Tell me why they start from the middle one.
Oh, I know that. Because we want to make sure Everything's gonna be level off the middle window, so everything's gonna line up, look perfect. We start on one end and we just kind of work our way along. By the end, you're gonna have, you know, the windows like kind of going like this. That's not how we do it. Maybe the past installers from other companies, that's how they do things, but not around here. So this is the advantage with Ecoline having 2 crews available today. We have one crew installing windows, we have another crew taking windows out. That way we're not keeping this place just exposed to the elements for too long. So we'll keep it open for a few minutes, get some new windows in. Other guys are taking ones out, get the new ones in, move on to another room. That way this room can get back to normal temperatures by the day's end. And then you go to bed at night and it's like nothing ever happens that day. It's not like you go to bed with, a jacket on because your house has been cold because it's been freezing all day. So this is a big advantage of Ecoline. A lot of companies, they don't have this kind of access to all this labor to have these kind of crews just able to help out like this. So it's great. Let's have a look at our windows here they got put in.
Perfecto.
These are the old window sashes that we have here in place, okay? So what we see here is a perfectly good piece of glass with this silver shit grill in there. And all it does, in my opinion, is just make the window look smaller. Like it makes it look, you have your window is actually that size when it's actually larger. So if you want to make your windows bigger, take the grills out and then you got a bigger window. So that's how I look at things. So grills can be used in specific places. It's kind of a decorative thing, but I think for bedrooms, for living spaces, for basements, for every room, you always want to make it look bigger. So take out the grills, got bigger windows. That's my inspector tip of the day. Got shitty windows? Call Ecoline. Be happy. One last thing to mention before we head inside. We got stucco walls, we got some smartboard, we got vinyl windows, we have wood jamb extensions. So we got to combine this all together. So when we take out our windows, any of the bits of stucco that might come off, because these windows were installed like they're meant for Fort Knox. We're gonna repair the stucco, patch it, and then we'll paint it on a later date. It's too cold to do any of that painting stuff right now. So we would just patch it up and then move on. This stucco's got quite a bit of cracking in it, so it could be quite brittle, so that when you pull the windows out, you could get some fracturing of the edges around the stucco, but no big deal. We'll fix it up. We got lots of stucco guys around here, so no big deal. And just like that, as we're finishing up some of the work around here today, snow stopped, which is great. Never keep everyone happy. I'm sure everyone that's come out today, you don't need to be sitting at home around. These guys need to work. They're like horses. You need to run them. You need to get them working. This is what they do. This is what they're meant to do. They love to work outside. They're born in it. So that's how we look at these guys. They're happy as clams. They love it, right? It's better than 35 degrees, right? Yeah, so we're happy. So that's what we came out to do today. It's gonna be a great install. It's a lovely house, lovely people. Time to get inside. I'm freezing.